Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw the sun. For this I am taking lid of a jar to draw a perfect circle. Take a lid of a jar and draw a circle. Look, a perfect circle comes out. Now I will start drawing rays of the sun. Then small ray, again a big ray, Our sun drawing is complete. Now I will draw the face. And it's done. Now I will use black sketch pen to draw the outline. Now our black outline is complete. Now I am taking yellow crayon to color it. Color the sun with this yellow crayon. So yellow color is complete. Now I will use some orange color crayon to do some shading in rays. Do the shading like this. Now I will do some shading in rays also, like this. Just give some hint of some orange color. It's done. Now do some shading in face also. Like this. Okay, our orange color shading is complete. Now do red color in mouth. And again some shading of red color in rays. And do some shading in face also. So friends, this is our sun. And if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For such more interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.